Guys, a lot of people probably don't know about this. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a follower off your followers list with Instagram's new picture update. Now, without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sugo and I'm here with another Instagram tutorial on how to remove a follower off your followers list. Now this tutorial seems kind of different because in my last video I explained how to unfollow people who are not following you on Instagram. So in this tutorial I'm actually going to be showing you how to remove a follower off your followers list. There are different topics, so yeah. Alright guys, you are going to be needing the latest Instagram updates, so make sure you update your Instagram and yeah, let's just start immediately. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay guys, now for the tutorial we're going to be clicking the followers tab. Just click it and allow it to load up. Now you'll be seeing a remove button by the right hand side of your screen. A remove button, click on that. You should be able to remove somebody no matter who it is. And the best thing about this is that Instagram doesn't notify the user you removed that you removed them. That's the best thing about this new feature. I really like this feature. Like, for those of you who have ghost followers in their accounts, you can actually remove them off your list, especially when they are just like there to occupy space. You can actually remove them, so people won't think otherwise. Alright guys, that concludes it for the tutorial. If you check on my follower count was 3,128. Now it's 3,125. See you next time. Peace. Have you ever been following a bunch of people on Instagram and nobody seems to follow you back, and you desperately relied on the Instagram unfollowers app to get the job done? While in the process of doing so, you get blocked by Instagram? Well done, my friend. I've got a solution for you and you came to the right place. So let's hop right into it.